Hi, it's Emily from WTA. Are you kind of a coffee snob? You just have to have that really good espresso or latte. You're willing to pay for it at a coffee shop 2 or 3 times a week? Well, let me show you how I can save you hundreds of dollars a year and not sacrifice quality on your morning coffee.
We live in the Pacific Northwest where the artisan coffee scene is all the rage. So if you want to take your coffee to that next level and reach third wave coffee, this Breville Infuser espresso maker is the way to go. I love that it uses a low pressure pre-infusion to gradually increase the pressure at the start and help ensure all the flavors are drawn out evenly from the espresso shot. It also has an amazing frother, which allows you to have ultimate control over your milk froth. The water container is easy to fill and there's a filter included.
This espresso maker has essentially meant that both my husband and I no longer go spend $5 to $7 on a cup of coffee, even a couple times a week. It's so rare for us to do that now that when we did the math, we realized that this espresso maker paid for itself in less than 2 months. And we've had this machine now for 2 years, and it is still working so amazingly. I think it's really going to be a good investment for you, but that's just my point of view.